show you what I'm up to. I don't know if you can hear me, and I hope that you can. The day today is still the same as the previous video. It's Wednesday the 24th at 7:37 p.m. I'm cleaning up the back of my trailer. I just picked up this trailer. I dropped off one that was loaded at Walmart distribution center here in Missouri, and I picked one up. It took me about 2 hours to find one. I think they were still offloading it or unloading it. So I kept walking around. Eventually I found one. It was not the best. It's not in the best of conditions, but it'll do. That's why I'm cleaning it up a little bit. Warmer because I opened it up when I was sweeping it. This trailer is gangster. The skirt is red on one side, and I think the other side is white. I think, yeah, it's white on the other side. Hey, that's song that makes me good. And this is what it looks like in the back. This one has what they call a chute, as in parachute. That's the top part. Some companies require you to have a trailer that has that, or they won't load you. So I found one. It smells kind of fruity, but oh well. So there's my little broom, and I swept all 53 feet. Now I just gotta get the dirt out. Do it. This is not something that I do often. So if you're gonna get into trucking, don't worry about this very much. I have to be quick because I don't want the temperature. I have to be quick because I don't want the temperature to get too warm. That's how big it is. It's really, really big. That's what he said. You cannot have fear of heights and be doing this. It's kind of far downstairs. I think I did the best I could. This is how tall it is. When you do stuff like this.